Hello and welcome to Piko Tutorials. In today's tutorial,
We're going to show you how to turn on certain rules to both alert and unlock doors with these intercom speakers by Hanwha. So these particular cameras are recently released as of the first quarter of this year, and they are really starting to gain some traction for admin buildings or certain areas where you don't have necessarily an individual staged to let people in and out. So with this camera, as you can see, it does record, but it also has the ability to unlock and speak bidirectionally. With that being said, as you can see, you can come in and actually go into the camera settings and into the web page of the camera itself. With this, what we're going to try to do is just make sure that one, the call button's turned on, and two, the inputs are turned on. So from the back end, obviously, if you want this to be able to unlock and lock doors, you need to be able to run a wire back to your access control panel to release the door. But what we're going to do in here is just make sure that the event setup is set up for both the inputs. So as you can see here, we do have both inputs turned on, and also the call button push is turned on. So we can navigate out of that and then go back into our camera rules. In our camera rules, as you can see, I have already turned on a soft trigger, but I'll show you how to create a soft trigger as well. So if you wanted to, you would go soft trigger. And then for what camera? Here I'm going to type in our intercom camera. Select it, click OK. Select which users you wanted to have the access to unlock or view that soft trigger. And as you can see here, I'll say open door. I'll come down here and maybe make the door, or let's say I wanted to have this unlocked. And then here is where you're going to do the reciprocating action. And this is where we want it to unlock. So as you can see, our techs have already set up on the back side the output to the Linnell panel or your access control panel in that case. And this 5 seconds is from that push, I want the door to unlock for 5 seconds. You can increase, decrease, whatever you'd like. You click apply, and that rule is then generated. From here, I'm also going to create another rule. This rule is who I want it to alert. So when that input signal is pushed on the camera, again, intercom, you can select a schedule if you'd like. So if you want somebody to be alerted this time and other people's to be alerted on different times, you can do that. So create just a couple different rules. And then I want a mobile notification. I'm going to turn off the interval of action so it alerts me whenever. But I can come in here and simply click an individual. So you can type in whoever you'd like, click OK, and then as you can see, it's going to turn on. I'm going to cancel it just because of the fact that I already have these rules in place. And as you can see, here's our open door and our unlock. Thank you for watching Piko Tutorials.
if you would like to watch more how-to videos around Piko, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can visit us here at picovms.com for more documentation and downloads.